Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ginger, and I have a small Happy Mail, kind of haul to show you. A couple orders that I ordered like a month ago and just got today. And this first one is from Ollie Clip. They had a flash 50% off sale a couple weeks ago, and so living in California, I was really excited that they offered the San Francisco Ollie Clip. Super cute, either side. So I picked that up for all my stationery and planner goodies. And I think it was only, with the flash sale, it was like $5. And then, this was a new shop that I ordered from several weeks ago. Her shop is called Haute Planner Jewels. And it says, "Oh darling, there is no such thing as too big." And it shows a diamond, which is absolutely correct. But in my planner, I use some planner clips, but I don't like anything that sticks out much at the top. So these little clips that she makes, these are little dangly like clips that just kind of stick out a little bit at the top of your planner. And one of them is a fuzzy red, kind of a, it's not a cherry red, but I can't even think of what it's called. What she called it. Oh, it's salmon. Salmon pink heart. Oh, you can't see that very good. Let me do this. There, that's better. Salmon pink heart. And then I got a pink, and it comes with my favorite kind of paper clip, and it is rose gold. I don't know what those kind of paper clips are called, but, and then I got just a cute little dangle. It is a, just a little kind of blush pink bow. But those are just the little paper clips I like to use in my planner, or the Ollie clips. So, and she also had a sale going on. So her sale was like, I think she had a 40% off. And then several weeks ago, I ordered from Once More with Love, which is out of Canada. And that order came in finally today. And you always get a nice journal card. I usually make it into a dashboard and put it in my planner. So someday you will find what you're looking for, or maybe not. Maybe you'll find something much better than that. And then it says, "Thank you. I wholeheartedly believe that we will all find what is meant for us. So leave your heart open. Life may not be perfect, but if you remain hopeful and know that good things are coming your way, it really will. So many good things take time, and maybe what you are looking for is just around the corner. Don't give up and keep your head up. You deserve every bit of happiness coming your way. Love always, Marge." So she's always so sweet. And then you get your, and then in, you get your little freebie. And then she's expecting a baby, so she gave out this little rattle freebie, and I had a little scratch off. And it tells you when you scratch it off what they're actually having, and she's having a girl. So, so there is that. And then I just ordered the package of 12 foiled sheets, because nobody can have enough foiled bows. And you get the rose gold foiled washi. You get the hollow foiled washi. You get, let's see, I think that's more like black foil washi, or maybe silver. And then you get the regular gold foiled washi. And then you get the holo, the silver, and the gold in the bigger bows, and the rose gold. And then you also get one sheet of each of the tinier bows, foiled bows, in each different foil. So super cute. Now, next, I'm going to attempt to take my phone off this stand because I want to be able to talk to you about something. There we go. Before I end the video. Some of you may already know, you may have seen it on my Facebook or my Instagram, but a dear friend of ours, her name is Brooke, and 2 months ago, Brooke had a little baby, and Brooke is a planner crafter. That's how I met her, and was through the planning and crafting community, and then come to find out she's from where I lived before I came out to California, and so we just kind of connected. Then as we got to know each other more, Brooke shared, and because I'm very open with my story about getting sober, and I am 6.5 years sober, and Brooke is also, I don't know exactly, I think she's 5 or 6 years also, 5 years sober from drugs. So we connected on that level too. But although Brooke is not on YouTube, I knew I could count on my crafty planner friends to help me pull off an act of kindness for Brooke. And I will share the link down below. But on Wednesday, Brooke lost her youngest daughter, Ashlyn, who had been in the hospital since birth for 2 months. Ashlyn was born May 31st, several weeks early, with only one kidney working, and then that kidney failed. And on Wednesday, that would have been August 5th, on Brooke's birthday, she lost her daughter, Ashlyn. So she is going through a lot right now. And I just wanted to try and do something for her, and I thought that I would get a kind of a birthday care package together for Brooke, and then once I've received everything, I will mail it off. I'm going to give everybody 2 weeks if you'll help me out. It can be planner related, it can be crafty related, it can be gift cards, it can be something to pamper herself with. Sorry about that. Someone just came to my door and dropped off this package. A dear friend here in California that had heard about Brooke's daughter, and it's just filled with it's just a care package with little goodies and gift cards, and she gave us some money to help with the shipping, and so that's just kind of what I'm doing. Last night I made a card for Brooke, and as I was making a card, I thought, I need to do something more. And Greg has been unemployed for over 6 months, so I can't pull this off on my own. I have a lot of planner goodies, I have a lot of crafty goodies in my stash that are brand new that I'm going to get together. I've got a couple things that I showed you, the candles I got at Dollar Tree and the little crates. I'm going to make a little care package with that, and then I'm just going to, everything that I receive, I'm going to put in a box, and I'm going to send it to Brooke, and try to bring a little joy to her, even though her birthday was kind of overshadowed this year, and maybe just put a smile on her face, even if it's just for a day. I've talked to her a couple of times, and I've seen her posting, and she's going through a really, really rough time. My Ashlyn, Brooke's daughter, her obituary will be down in the description. And then my address is also down in the description. My email's in the description. If you have any questions, any comments, feel free to contact me. I just know that the Crafty community, the planner community, kindness is what we're about. And I personally can't imagine. I've been through a lot of things in my life, but I could never imagine losing my child, especially my baby. So I'm just trying to, I just need your help to help me to spread this kindness and to help make Brooke smile a little. And if you can help out, I would appreciate it. Even if it's just a card. If we can shower her with cards, I think that's an amazing thing. So give me a contact. Send me whatever you want to send. If you send anything, just put inside the package, just put a little sheet of paper or whatever, and just put Brooke on it, and I'll know where it goes to anyways when I receive it. So and then I'll make a video, because Brooke is not on YouTube as of yet. I'll make a little video of everything that we collect and get together, and I'll show you when I get ready to ship it off. And so I just ask for your help on this. You know, everybody's going through a tough time. Brooke and her and Trevor, Ashlyn's father, were the only two to be able to meet Ashlyn because of COVID-19. Brooke has spent 2 months every day at the hospital. She has 2 other young children. I know Brooke said today that she sat Kaylee, her 4-year-old, down and told her what had happened, and you know, just kind of explained things to her. And Kaylee's very smart. She's very upset. So you know, just Brooke is making some decisions and choices and going through some things that no young mother should ever have to go through. And I know that us as a community can bring her some smiles. So if you'll help me out, everything will be linked in the description below. And I will, I won't mail anything out for at least 2 weeks. If you're sending something, send me a message. I have a Yahoo email. You can send me an email, make a comment on this video, and I'll know to wait for your package. And remember, it can be something so simple, something so small, you know, even if it's just a card. But let's bring Brooke some birthday kindness and a little bit of joy as she lost her daughter on her birthday. Thank you everyone for your help and for watching my videos, and I'll be back soon with another crafty video.